driver dropped me off here because you guys, you can't really see, but it is so far down and it's pretty hard to drive here. So I'm gonna walk the rest of the way. You can really see like how like far down the beach are, and like the hills are so crazy. Just looking for a spot without so many people. Good morning, loves, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a new location. I just booked into this Airbnb in Uluwatu last night, and it's so beautiful here. It's pretty far out, so it's not much around here, but I did book it because this Airbnb is just so beautiful. And I'm here on a content trip, as I like to call it. As some of you might know, I quit my job last year, moved to Asia, and I'm trying to build a new career in social media. And I'm 36, so we'll see how we go. I feel like a lot of people start much younger. So today I'm gonna film a bunch of reels and get to bed as early as I can because we're shooting at the beach tomorrow at 5 o'clock. And I don't, honestly, I have so much lined up. Some things that I kind of come up with myself and some things I need to create for clients. And yeah, I like to book everything at once and book a nice Airbnb because then I have kind of the pressure to work the whole weekend. But I do crave a better work-life balance because I have a tendency to just do everything at once or nothing. Anyway, that's what we're doing. I'm trying to film as much as I can, take you guys with me, and we're gonna see the beach, Nyang beach, and yeah, just like check out Uluwatu. I don't really have time to see much here, but yeah, I'm gonna try to take you along as much as I can. But I need to show you, I actually have a banana tree in the garden. It's 6 in the morning and I'm on my way to a beach shoot. I'm gonna meet up with the photographer at the beach. I'm gonna do the sunrise. So I'm waiting for the grab. It took longer than I thought. And also did my makeup in the dark. Wow, this is crazy. So just trying to find a spot where we can shoot. just done shooting at the beach. Got so many beautiful photos and videos, and I can't wait to edit and post them. I have so much to go through and look through now, but I really wish that I had like a photographer with me all the time when I was shooting content, but of course that's not really realistic. But now I'm gonna have a little lunch, watch some YouTube. I need to like reset my brain because I have so much stuff I need to do before I leave this Airbnb. Tomorrow I have 3 more reels I need to film for some brands and some product shots, and yeah, but I really just need a break because I've been up since 5. We've been shooting for like hours and it's been hot, and yeah, so I just want to take a shower, reset, eat, and then start again. My lunch just got here and I'm literally so hungry now. I got a protein shake, kombucha. This one looks so cute. And also some salmon and yeah, different kind of vegetables. Since I'm started to work out again, I need to keep my proteins up. So now I'm gonna enjoy.
Area or this little area. Tony's gonna do that a little bit later. And the bathroom is clean.
So I'm gonna continue film. I don't know how interesting it is for you guys for me to talk about these things, but I mean it is a part of my life and it's what I'm trying to do. Like YouTube is one part of it, and on YouTube I feel like I can be like my authentic self and like film everything, and making content is a big part of my life right now. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me and hopefully you like it. So I have some more brand deals I need to film, and as of right now I don't make like much money on content. I do make some money, but like my goal is to like make it into a full-time living eventually. And yeah, because I kind of quit my freelance job as a stylist and I just really want to give my content dream a real shot. But I don't feel like I've been able to give it a real shot yet because life happens all the time, you know what I mean? Like now is the first time I feel like, okay, now I'm actually focusing, I'm doing it, I'm putting in the hours, I'm putting in the work, and I just have so much I want to make, and I just love creating, and I have so many ideas, like overflow with ideas. So often I don't make anything because I'm just like all the time thinking about this I can do, this I can do. And honestly, I do have a hard time finding like a good work balance because I'm the kind of person who goes like all or nothing with things. So I either like work for a weekend and just like schedule so many things that I almost can't get through it, or I don't do anything. It's the same with like workout. I either have to go to the gym almost every day or I don't go. And I think maybe it could be like a ADHD something, I don't know. I'm not gonna self-diagnose myself, that's not good, but you know what I mean. Like I would really like to work on to get like a better workflow and balance so that I can actually take weekends off, because often I end up spending time working on the weekends. It would be nice to just like have that for my me time, no social media, like turn my phone off basically. That is something I really want to achieve in 2025, just like have a better work balance. But it's hard when you're a freelancer too, you know, because you're on your own time often, and yeah. But anyways, I need to get back to work. I have so many reels to film. I got my coffee, I got my products that I need to film, and yeah, all set. Yes. Thank you. And one matcha?
Yeah, one more.
Yeah. Thank you.
For the sugar. Yeah.
So this girl has been inside all day editing. I have so much material to go through and things I need to send out to clients. Valentine's is coming up, so I have so many like Valentine's collabs I need to finish. And yeah, it just takes a lot of time, and I always underestimate how much work I have to do. And in 2025, I'm just trying to be more efficient with my work, because I have a tendency to kind of like do things last minute and kind of press everything at once, and that's not really good for my balance. So now I'm just trying to practice and actually just like put in most work in the beginning of the week, so that I can maybe like have a chiller day off in the weekends instead. So it's kind of the goal. But yeah, it's hard when I look at the weather and I see the golden hour and I just want to go to the beach. But yeah, stuck in that apartment. But today was a good workflow day actually, and sometimes I have a hard time working inside in the apartment and I'd rather go to a cafe, but today was actually really nice. So yeah, I'm just having a little break. I needed some fresh air, so I just went out on my patio. I'm gonna go back and edit some more through the night, I think, the evening. But yeah, trying to get to bed by 10. There's so many things I'm just like trying to do. But yeah, a little bit at a time.